I'm just always running late. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video I am going to be quickly getting ready. I did my eyes off camera. As you guys can see, it's like a shimmery brown smoky eye, but I had to do it. Guys, I'm like rushing right now. It's my mom's birthday and I'm just always running late. Always running late. I'm trying to have lunch with her, but yeah, I did like a soft glam, little face beat, and I was attempting to put some loose curls and this unit that I have on right now with my Kanye wand curler, and it didn't necessarily come out the way that I was hoping, but we just gotta keep on going because I don't got enough time to go back and try to fix it or nothing. So the lighting looks hella crazy. I'm not sure why it's looking like that, but I hope someone out there finds this video interesting to watch. I hope someone out there likes it. I think it's looking mad frizzy, you guys. Oh my god, I hope that it really doesn't look as bad as it looks on camera. This is just my freaking luck, just my luck. But anyways, I'm gonna leave all of the information on this unit and the video that I did with this hair so you guys can get a better look of it down in the description box, and that's about it. So I will check y'all lovelies out in my next video. Bye.